Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you all Maasai art or Maasai folk painting, for which I have taken acrylic paints. You can also take poster paints or rangila paints, or you can use all of them depending on which type of painting or the folk art we are going to do. Then paint brushes, water, old cloth, handmade paper or canvas, palette, stationery like pencil, scale, eraser, sharpener, permanent marker, thick and thin both, color pencils, crayons and sketch pens. Maasai art, particularly painting, reflects the vibrant culture, traditions, and pastoral lifestyle of the Maasai people of Kenya and Tanzania, often emphasizing warriors, beadwork, and the East African savanna. The Maasai are a Nilotic ethnic group originating from the Nile Valley who migrated to Kenya and Tanzania around the 15th century. Their semi nomadic lifestyle, centered on cattle herding, informs much of their artistic expression. The Maasai are known for their striking red shukas, which means robes, elaborate beadwork, and ceremonial traditions, elements that are frequently captured in paintings. Maasai paintings typically explore a variety of cultural themes. The first one being warriors, also known as Moran, depictions of Maasai warriors standing tall with spears and shields, highlighting bravery, strength, and cultural identity. Women are shown adorned in intricate bead necklaces, earrings, and colorful attire depicting grace, social roles, and marital status. Paintings often illustrate rites of passage, dances, weddings, and herding practices, reflecting a communal lifestyle deeply connected to nature. The East African savanna and cattle trees are frequently backgrounds, emphasizing the Maasai's bond with their environment and pastoralism. Even in my painting, you can see the same kind of reference that I have taken to complete my artwork. Maasai paintings display distinct visual qualities. Like dominant colors include reds, blues, yellows, and earth tones, representing the Maasai's traditional attire and natural landscapes. Contemporary Maasai artists employ acrylic, oil paints, watercolors, and textured canvases to convey depth, movement, and cultural storytelling. Many artworks incorporate traditional beadwork motifs, either literally or stylistically, reflecting symbolic meaning and the social hierarchy within the community. Maasai paintings blend realism with stylization, showing elongated figures, detailed attire, and expressive postures that communicate cultural narratives. Historically, the Maasai produced art primarily through beadwork, wooden sculptures, and utilitarian decorations. Contemporary painters, however, have adapted these motifs onto canvases and digital media, creating artworks that appeal to both cultural preservation and global markets. Modern Maasai painting is collected internationally and often represents both heritage and innovation, keeping traditional identities alive while embracing artistic evolution. Owning Maasai-inspired paintings is more than decorative. It is a connection to East African heritage, storytelling, and resilience. Each painting communicates values such as bravery, communal harmony, respect for nature, and pride in ancestral traditions. Supporting Maasai artists also preserves these cultural expressions, empowering local communities and sustaining traditional craftsmanship. In summary, Maasai art and painting are vibrant reflections of the people's identity, lifestyle, and rich cultural heritage, blending bold colors, expressive figures, and symbolic patterns into works that capture the spirit of one of East Africa's most iconic tribes. The voiceover and information provided in the video are strictly sourced from Google search results. This channel does not claim ownership or original authorship of the facts presented. All views and facts belong to their respective original sources. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media, and do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.